Happy Valentine's Day! So jumping right into this video, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to just use this skin tone shade to set my eyeballs. Now taking Pooter from the infamous Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and putting that right in the crease, and then going in with Hunt's as the second transition color. Make sure you're not covering the first color we put in the crease. Now taking the same brush that we used Pooter on, I'm going to just blend everything together and make sure everything is seamless and meshed together. Then going in with Jacz, I am going to pat the pigment, not swipe, pat, just so there is more vibrancy to the color. Now what you want to do is you want to take a clean blending brush and just blend everything together. Then we're going to dip back into Pooter and just add a bit more onto the crease. Now we're going to cut the crease using Shape Tape, of course, and we are going to do a semi-cut crease, a half-cut crease, whatever you want to call it. So taking that skin tone color from the 35F palette, we're just going to set the concealer, and then using these shimmery burgundy red colors, we are going to add them right at the outer corner. And I'm actually wetting it and making it look more foiled slash metallic, and then blending the edges. Now highlighting the brow bone, and be careful because this color is so powerful. We're going to take the NYX eyeliner next, and we're just going to wing out our liner. Then I'm going to coat my lashes using Mad Lash, and then putting on these random wispy lashes that I found in my lash drawer. Moving right on to the base, I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting base, and then going in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and adding that everywhere. Onto concealer, I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty one that I don't really hear any reviews of, but I personally love it. It is also waterproof. For contour this time, I am cream contouring, which I usually don't do, but Adriel got me this magical brush and it blends contour like no other. Powder, cream, love it. Then taking this setting powder and just baking and caking my face away. Then taking the Dip Out pomade and doing my usual brow routine. Then dipping into Benefit's palette, we're going to take Hoola and we're going to bronze all over, baby. Then we are going to take the Hoola Lite and contour the nose. I love this to contour my nose because it's lighter but still has the same effect as Hoola. Then I'm going to take Rocketeer and Dandelion and mix the two and add it for a little blush blush action. And going in with the Wet n Wild highlight in something my Canopy, and we are going to just highlight all the usual areas. Then taking Pooter again and putting it right underneath the eye. Then taking Hunt and putting that a little closer to the waterline. Now taking this Palladio, I don't know how to say it, liner, and we're just gonna line my lips, and you're gonna fill it in with the ColourPop Notion. Love this color. And there you have it, lovelies. That's my take on Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!